Tammy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Today I have an unboxing, and I'm sorry I've already opened it. I tried this video one time. I was outside doing it while my little chihuahuas were out, but my camera got too hot and shut down, so I'm having to redo the video. So I'm going to reopen it and show you what I have. So there's all my goodies. Now I'm going to move the box so that I can pull everything out because I don't have enough room. And before I show you everything, let me just share this. Here is my website, southernangels.stampinup.net, if you'd like to go on there and order. And here is my new host code for August, right here, E49HKVWR. That's the new host code for the month of August. Also, I have a few announcements. I'll go ahead and do that before I show you everything. We have a new catalog that will be coming out. It's the holiday catalog coming out September the 4th, I do believe, for the customers. Now, for demonstrators, it's already out. And I'm going to tell you, it is a really great catalog. So you can be viewing that, like I said, September 4th on my website. Just like you can view the new catalog that came out a few months ago. That's on there. So be keeping a lookout for that. Let's see, there's some other announcements I wanted to make. Also, oh yes, the paper pumpkin for August is, you have until the 10th of August to get that, and you'll really like it. It's the bags and tags. I've talked about that several times. I should be pulling down a picture here about that. And also there's going to be an extra kit that you can order only if you are subscribed to the Paper Pumpkin. You can get it for $10. It's going to be a card kit. So you'll want to check out that. And that's going to be a really nice extra kit that you can get to go along with it. And I think you'll enjoy that. So you don't have to get the card kit with it if you don't want, but if you like to make cards, fall cards, yeah, that's just an extra kit that they put together, and they're really nice kits that match the paper pumpkin. So you'll want to, you know, see about getting that. But you only have till August the 10th. I do want to remind you of that to get that. Sorry, my dogs. Hold on. Come on. Filming here. Stop that. Alright, other announcement is I have my birthday challenge going on. Nugget, not now. Sorry that. Alright, my birthday challenge I have up going on until September. I don't have the date up, but I'll try and have that posted up here where you can click on that video. There should be a little thing up in the corner that you can click on and pull that down. If not, the video may be at the end of this video also. And you can go watch about that video. I did forget to, however, mention in the video about putting your birthday on the back of the cards that you make. The reason I want the birthdays, your birthday on the back, is so when I make you a birthday card, or I should say, so that I will be able to make you a birthday card and send you a birthday card, since I do make quite a few of those. So that's, I want you to make sure, and if you would please, because I said information and your birthday is part of your information. So that is, I believe, all the announcements that I need to make. So we'll get right on into this. First thing I wanted to share with you is I've got, and I hope I'm in good view. Hope you can see everything well. I'm going to adjust my camera just a little bit here. There we go. I got the Ride With Me polymer stamp set and the Stampin' Cut and Emboss die set. And I've been really wanting this. I'm so excited about the stamp set. It is just too cute. You can use this stamp set in so many ways. And then I'll have to open it. I don't want to cut anything. I'm not supposed to. Well, I really got it sealed. Okay, what's the best? Maybe right here. There we go. Okay, so the first thing on the stamp set, we have wishing you loads of Christmas cheer, happy harvest. Today belongs to you, ride with the windows open. I'm always here to pick you up. I love stamping. Happy birthday. And then you can build the truck. And you can build it actually as a real truck with this die. You have balloons to do like a birthday card. You have the tree to put in the back. You have pumpkins to put in the back. So there's a lot you can do with the stamp set. And then, like I said, with the embossing, ta-da, looky there, looky there. You have the truck where you can do it in a 3D truck to where it makes an actual little truck. All the little parts, little wheels, everything. And then the little balloons are coming out. So this is going to be so much fun to work with and play with. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So I will be doing plenty of videos on that coming up soon. So you'll definitely want to stay tuned and be looking out for those videos. You can make Christmas ornaments with these. There are some little boxes also. I'll shoot a picture up here of what they look like from the catalog. I did not get to order those this time, but if you have any little boxes, you can use them. But the little, I'm telling you, they're really cute, the Stampin' Up boxes, because they have like Stampin' Up on them. They look like the little shipping boxes that you get with the word Stampin' Up on them. And they're really cute. You can place them inside the truck. And like I said, there should be a picture up right now of what they look like. So if you want to get that to go in your little truck, that's just adorable. Alright, moving on. I bought some inks. Now this ink right here, the Highland Heather, is so pretty. It's so pretty ink. I had already bought the cardstock. Find it. I already bought, yeah, here it is. I already bought some cardstock in my last shipment. So I wanted to make sure and get my ink this time. And of course I have the Perennial Essence paper that it'll go with. Look how pretty that is. So I had quite a few things that I knew I needed that. And this is one of the new in colors. So I knew I needed that. Then I also bought the Mary Merlot ink, and got the cardstock to go with that. Then I bought Blackberry Bliss and the cardstock to go with that. And these colors are so similar, I noticed when I got them, but this one's a little bit redder and this one's a little bit more purplier, if that makes sense. But I can use these in a lot. He's putting Nugget out. Okay, because I can use them a lot in this Perennial Essence. All of those colors match real well. Then also, I believe these colors will also look real well in the Bird Ballard. I think there's some papers in there that match. Also, I got them because of the new paper pumpkin for August. I know they said that these colors were in the Mary Merlot, and the Blackberry Bliss is in there, so that was another reason I picked these colors. So I wanted to definitely get those two colors. Okay, so besides that, I also got, this out of the way. Falling over, don't have a lot of room here. This is the gold foil sheets. So I thought this would be good for some fall projects, some Christmas projects, and then just about any holiday projects that will be coming up. I can't remember how many sheets. I think there's only 2 sheets in here. I believe that's what it says. But I can link that up here also for you to check that out. But I just thought this was real pretty. I'm planning on doing maybe some leaves with this. Fall leaves. I have a project in mind I want to do with that, so you'll want to stay tuned for that. And the last thing I got was some embellishments. I don't have a lot of embellishments, so I was trying to pick out at least one embellishment, and I got the clear faceted gems. That's what these are. Okay, so those were the ones I picked out. Alright, so that's everything that I got in this order. And I'm hoping to pick out something from the new holiday order. As a demonstrator, I get to pick out a pre-order for the month of August. So I'm hoping to get something. And if I do, I will be doing an unboxing of that when it comes in. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Those thumbs ups are very important. I've noticed I've not been getting a lot of them. I know some of y'all do remember. Some of y'all, I don't know if you're forgetting or think it's not important or what, but it is very important. YouTube recognizes all of the thumbs up, and they will place the videos as they see those thumbs up. So if you'll please remember to just click that thumbs up each time you see a video, because like I said, it's extremely important that you do that so that YouTube will notice that you are watching those. And comment. I love to hear, you know, your comments, just to let me know that you are watching, because I don't know who all's watching. Just, you know, just something simple. Hey, I saw your video. Just, you know, anything. Just let me know that I'd like to know who all's watching. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Appreciate that. I need all the subscribers I can get right now. And for those of you that have subscribed, I appreciate it very much. And like I said, just make sure you please give me a thumbs up and just let me know that you've watched down in the comments. Tell me hello. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video now and say thank you and have a blessed day.